For thousands of years, humanity has worked the land, coaxing life from the soil and shaping entire civilizations through the art and science of farming. From the earliest days, when our ancestors first planted seeds and tended crops by hand, agriculture has been at the heart of human progress, feeding families and fueling societies. Over time, the tools of the trade evolved. From simple hand plows to powerful tractors, each era brought new innovations that made farming more efficient and productive. These advances didn't just change how we farmed. They transformed the very landscape of rural life, allowing us to grow more food and support larger communities. Today, we stand on the brink of another revolution, one that's taking flight above our fields, quite literally. Drones, once the stuff of science fiction and futuristic dreams, are now quietly transforming agriculture in ways that were unimaginable just a generation ago. These nimble, unmanned aircraft give farmers a bird's-eye view of their land, revealing crop patterns, irrigation issues, and potential problems that would be invisible from the ground. With high-resolution cameras and advanced sensors, drones can spot subtle changes in plant health, soil moisture, and pest activity. With drones, vast fields that once took days to inspect can now be monitored in a matter of minutes. This speed and efficiency mean that farmers can respond to issues faster than ever before, protecting their crops and maximizing yields. The challenge of feeding a growing world is immense, with more mouths to feed and less land to farm. But drones offer a powerful new tool, helping farmers meet these demands with greater precision and care. Today's farmer is empowered by data and technology, combining generations of intuition and hard work with real-time insights from the sky. Tablets and smartphones have become as essential as tractors, allowing farmers to make informed decisions on the go. Drones don't replace the farmer, they enhance their abilities, acting as a new set of eyes and hands in the field. The partnership between human experience and machine intelligence is redefining what's possible in agriculture. We'll explore how these flying machines are changing every stage of farming, from planting seeds and monitoring growth to protecting crops from pests and disease. Drones are not just tools, they're partners in the quest for sustainable, productive agriculture. From tradition to technology, this is the story of farming's next chapter. A journey from the plow to the propeller, from the ground to the sky. Drones are helping us work in harmony with nature, ensuring our fields remain green, healthy, and productive for generations to come. The future of agriculture is taking off, both literally and figuratively, as we embrace new technologies to meet the challenges ahead. Join us as we discover how drones are shaping the farms of tomorrow, and how innovation continues to keep our fields ever-changing, ever-green. So, what is a drone? You might have seen them buzzing overhead or featured in news stories, but their role in agriculture is truly transformative. Simply put, a drone is a small, pilotless aircraft, guided by computers or remote control. Unlike traditional planes or helicopters, drones don't need a human on board. Instead, they're operated from the ground, making them incredibly versatile and accessible for all kinds of tasks. With multiple propellers, drones can hover in place, maneuver with remarkable precision, and access hard-to-reach places that would be impossible or time-consuming for people or larger machines to reach. Today's drones are equipped with high-resolution cameras and advanced sensors, far beyond the capabilities of the human eye. These onboard technologies allow them to capture detailed images and data from above, revealing patterns and problems invisible from the ground. Agricultural drones use multispectral and thermal cameras to detect plant health, soil moisture, and pest problems. These specialized cameras can see wavelengths of light that humans can't, helping farmers spot issues early, before they become big problems. The data they collect is transformed into detailed maps and charts, giving farmers a real-time, comprehensive view of their land. This information is crucial for making informed decisions about irrigation, fertilization, and crop protection. Instead of walking endless rows, a farmer can now see every plant in a 100-acre field at a glance. This saves time, reduces labor, and ensures that no part of the field is overlooked. Drones are silent scouts covering vast areas quickly and efficiently. They can be deployed at a moment's notice, whether it's to check on crops after a storm or to monitor growth throughout the season. They can fly low for close inspection, zooming in on a single plant, or soar high for a sweeping overview of the entire farm, adapting to whatever the situation demands. The result: faster, more accurate decisions, and less guesswork. Farmers can respond to problems as soon as they arise, rather than waiting until it's too late. Drones turn observation into actionable intelligence, helping farmers boost yields, reduce waste, and use resources more efficiently. This is the simple, yet profound change drones bring to the farm. They're not just gadgets, they're powerful tools for a new era of agriculture. The age of aerial agriculture has arrived, and with drones leading the way, the future of farming looks brighter than ever. To appreciate drones, we must remember traditional farming. For generations, farmers walked their fields, relying on sight and hard labor to spot problems. On large farms, this was nearly impossible. Most decisions were based on small samples and guesswork. Issues like pests or nutrient deficiencies could go unnoticed until it was too late. Treatments were applied broadly, wasting resources and risking environmental harm. Fields were treated as uniform, but in reality, each patch of land is unique. Over and under application of chemicals was common, costing money and harming the environment. Farmers did their best with the tools they had, but the system was imprecise. The need for a smarter, more targeted approach was clear. Drones answer this call, offering precision where there was once only approximation. The era of averages is ending. Precision agriculture is here. Planting is where a crop's journey begins. Traditionally, heavy tractors sowed seeds, but this could compact soil and limit growth. Now, drones equipped with seed pods and nutrients can plant with pinpoint accuracy. Guided by detailed field maps, drones place seeds exactly where conditions are best. This method is revolutionizing reforestation and is now being adapted for conventional crops. Precision planting means higher germination rates and less wasted seed. Drones use less energy and reduce the need for excess fertilizer. The result: faster, more efficient, and more sustainable planting. The future of sowing is airborne. Once crops are growing, monitoring is crucial. Drones scan entire farms in minutes, creating detailed maps from thousands of images. Farmers can spot irrigation issues, weed outbreaks, or disease before they become major problems. Multispectral sensors reveal plant health, showing stress before it's visible to the naked eye. Early detection means early intervention, protecting yields and saving resources. Drones can even count plants and track growth over time, providing valuable data for planning. The farm becomes a living laboratory, with every flight adding to the farmer's knowledge. Proactive, data-driven farming replaces guesswork. Drones turn the sky into a tool for stewardship. The result: healthier crops and higher yields. When problems are detected, drones can act with surgical precision. Sprayer drones deliver treatments only where needed, reducing chemical use by up to 90%. This saves money, protects the environment, and preserves beneficial insects. Drones can operate in muddy fields or on steep slopes where tractors can't go. Targeted spraying means healthier crops and less pollution. The shift from blanket spraying to spot treatment is a game changer. Drones give farmers control and flexibility, regardless of weather or terrain. It's a smarter, more sustainable way to protect the harvest. The future of crop care is precise and gentle. Meet Ryoichi, a dedicated rice farmer living in the lush countryside of northern Japan. For generations, his family has worked these fields, passing down knowledge and tradition from parent to child. For decades, Ryoichi and his wife tended their rice paddies by hand, enduring long days of backbreaking labor under the sun. Every planting season, they would bend over the muddy fields, carefully nurturing each stalk, their hands roughened by years of hard work. When his son introduced a drone to the farm, Ryoichi was skeptical at first. He wondered if technology could really help with such a traditional craft. But curiosity got the better of him, and he decided to give it a try. The drone amazed him by spraying nutrients across the fields in just minutes, a task that once took hours of manual effort. It moved swiftly and efficiently, covering every corner of the paddies with precision. Not only did the drone save precious time, but Ryoichi noticed the rice began to grow more evenly and robustly. The plants looked healthier, and the harvests became more abundant. The drone's advanced monitoring capabilities also proved invaluable. It detected a disease outbreak early, allowing Ryoichi to act quickly and save much of his crop, something he might have missed with the naked eye. Now Ryoichi sees the drone not as a replacement for his experience, but as an extension of it. The technology complements his deep understanding of the land, making him an even better farmer. Inspired by his success, Ryoichi shares his story with neighbors, demonstrating how drones can empower even small family farms. He encourages others to embrace new tools while honoring their roots. In Ryoichi's fields, tradition and technology now work hand in hand, blending the wisdom of the past with the promise of the future. The drone lightens the physical burden of farming, while enhancing the farmer's ability to care for his crops with greater insight and precision. Ryoichi's story proves that drones aren't just for large commercial farms. They're a valuable tool for everyone, no matter the size of the field. The future of farming is becoming more accessible and efficient, rooted in both heritage and innovation, ensuring that small family farms can thrive for generations to come. Across Japan and beyond, drones are helping farmers like Ryoichi thrive, one field, one family, and one harvest at a time. The benefits of drones go beyond yield. They save time, money, and improve crop health. Tasks that once took days now take minutes, freeing farmers for other vital work. Precision reduces labor costs and slashes spending on water, fertilizer, and pesticides. Early detection of problems means healthier, more resilient crops. Using fewer chemicals protects the environment and local ecosystems. Drones replace guesswork with data, enabling smarter decisions and continuous improvement. The result is a more efficient, profitable, and sustainable farm. Every flight brings new insights and better outcomes. Drones create a positive cycle. Saving resources leads to healthier farms and a healthier planet. The future of agriculture is brighter thanks to technology. We are witnessing the dawn of a new era in agriculture. Drones are more than tools. They're partners, offering insight and precision once unimaginable. The future holds fleets of autonomous drones, powered by artificial intelligence, working seamlessly together. These advances are essential as we strive to feed a growing world with fewer resources. Drones will help us farm smarter, not harder, maximizing every seed, drop of water, and nutrient. The story of farming is one of constant innovation, and drones are the next chapter. They connect farmers to their land in new, meaningful ways. Our fields will remain productive, and our harvests secure for generations to come. The view from above brings hope for the world below. The future of farming is here, and it's taking flight.